All right, so I just got the Helix, the FLiK F1 elongated there. So ordered it on July 17th, and it was at basically 7 a.m. the first time, and then came in a week. So got here the 22nd of July. So yeah, it took a week. So let's unbox it. Here, the FLiK F1 Terracore XC. This is the one that's approved. Let's see. All right, see what's all in there. Ooh, there it is. Here's the package. It has the different things here. Registration, it tells you about the weights, how to make things better. All right, you guys are here for, there it is. Ooh, got a little hook for the fence. Nice cover. And here we go. There she is. Huh. Interesting. Feels good. I can't wait to go try it now. Let's see how the handle feels. I don't know where the thing is at to rip it. Maybe here. All right, I'm gonna use my blade. Let's see. There we go. Oh, the handle feels nice and sticky. Huh. So how does it feel for the grit? Feels pretty gritty too. You can hear it. Huh, interesting. Yeah, feels pretty good. Can't wait to go play with it. Well, just unboxing. Wanted to show you guys. Thanks.